In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email to monday.com. Connecting your email can streamline your workflow, automate communication tasks, and keep your team seamlessly aligned with your project goals. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to set this up. First, log into your monday.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board where you want to either track or send emails. This could be anything from client communication to sales leads or support tickets, depending on your needs. At the top right corner, you'll notice an Automate button represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will open up a world of automation possibilities, which will handle your email workflows once connected. Now move on to integrations by clicking the Integrate button, the puzzle piece icon you see at the top. This is where you'll see a list of available integrations. It's important to select an integration that matches your email service. So if you're using Google Workspace, you'll go with Gmail. Alternatively, choose Outlook if you're part of the Microsoft 365 ecosystem or using Outlook.com. Rest assured that monday.com supports both personal and business accounts for these email services. Once you've selected your service, you'll encounter several pre-built automation options called recipes. These recipes are like blueprints for your automations, making it easier to implement the process that suits your workflow best. Some common examples you might consider are when a status changes to email client, which triggers an email to the specified email column, or when an email is received prompting the creation of a new item on the board. Simply click the recipe that aligns best with what you envision and add it to the board. After picking a recipe, a pop-up will prompt you to connect your Gmail or Outlook account. Click the Connect button and sign into your email account, granting the necessary permissions for monday.com to send and receive emails. Don't worry about privacy. Monday.com will only access data necessary for the automations you've set up. With your email account linked, it's time to configure the email settings. Begin by choosing the specific email address or email column designated to receive messages. You can also customize the subject line, message body, and even add attachments if needed. Dynamic fields like item name or status can be embedded in your messages to personalize them automatically. For instance, you could structure an email that reads, "Hi, name, your project status is now status. We'll update you soon." Before fully rolling out your email integration, it's prudent to test it. Change a task status to one that initiates an email, such as email client, and peek